Let's find out, it won't take long. Benny's got a brand new board, bright and shiny, he's adored. He runs outside without delay, no helmet on to skate away. Oh, Benny, no, that's not okay. Wear a helmet for skating play. Place that helmet snug and tight, with it on, you're set for flight.